Good morning, I'm James Preston and welcome to the Morning Outlook exclusive to Kalkine TV, where we give you all the information you'll need for a successful day of trading. Australian shares are set to fall at the open on the last day of the trading week, following a dismal night of trade on Wall Street in the wake of higher than expected inflation data, which amplified fears of a possible recession. The domestic market is also expected to see commodity stocks trading on a weak note amidst lingering demand concerns. The latest ASX Futures indicate that the ASX 200 is set to open 53 points or 0.8% lower on Friday morning. On Thursday, the benchmark ASX 200 index ended 0.45% higher at 6,650.6 points. Meanwhile, Rio Tinto shares will be closely watched today as the ASX-listed mining giant is set to release its second quarter and first half production update. Additionally, AVZ mineral shares are scheduled to return from extended suspension today. On Wall Street, the Dow Jones declined by 0.45%, the S&P 500 dipped by 0.3%, whilst the Nasdaq was trading flat. Global slowdown concerns increased as the US Labor Department's Producer Price Index report mimicked Wednesday's Consumer Price Index data. In Europe, the Stoxx 50 fell by 1.7%, the FTSE dipped by 1.6%, the CAC declined by 1.4%, and the German DAX ended 1.9% lower. As for Asian markets, it was a largely negative day of trading on Thursday. Japan's Nikkei was the sole gainer, seeing a marginal increase of 0.62%. Hong Kong's Hang Seng fell by 0.22%, and China's Shanghai Composite dropped by 0.08%. MSCI's gauge of stocks across the globe also fell by 0.82%. All right, time now for a very quick break here on the Morning Outlook before we take a look at the Aussie dollar, oil, gold and the world of crypto. Tune in to get the latest information.
Whether it's about market movements or the currency graph,
sectoral coverage or industry news,
we cover it all on our news segments.
Be on top of the latest news
with Kalkine TV.
Welcome back to the Morning Outlook here on Kalkine TV, where we give you all the information you'll need for a successful day of trading. The Aussie dollar currently is buying 67.57 US cents, and over the past 24 hours has seen a marginal gain of 0.15%. Moving on, and the US Treasury Yield curve is the most inverted currently than at any point in time, implying a looming recession. The yield on 10-year Treasury notes was up by 5.5 basis points to 2.961%. The 2-year US Treasury yield was down 1 basis point at 3.134%. And meanwhile, the US dollar index surged by 0.351%, whilst the euro was down by 0.47% to trade just above $1 apiece. Oil prices have also taken a hit. Oil prices fell on Thursday as traders eyed a large US interest rate hike later in July that could curb rising consumer prices. However, it is also expected to hit hard on the oil demand. Brent crude futures for September fell by 0.5% to trade at $99.10 a barrel. By the same token, gold prices also fell. Gold prices dropped over 2% to near one-year lows after US dollar gained plenty of strength. US gold futures finished 1.7% lower at $1,705.80. Iron ore also took a tumble. Iron ore prices slipped on Thursday amidst concerns that demand from China could remain depressed in the short term. Notably, the benchmark price in Singapore crashed to its lowest point in 8 months, below $100. On China's Dalian Commodity Exchange, the most traded September iron ore contract finished down by 2.6% to 695.5 yuan, or $103.21 a tonne. And lastly, the crypto market has seen a minor resurgence. In the past 24 hours, the global crypto market cap has increased by 2.91% to be valued at approximately $923 billion. Flagship cryptocurrency Bitcoin has seen a marginal increase in the past 24 hours of 2.12%. However, it has still dipped more than 5% over the past week. It currently sits just above the crucial 20k floor. All right, well, that's all for this edition of the Morning Outlook. Have a great day trading and make sure to keep it locked here on Kalkine TV for the latest market insights and business news. I'm James, reporting for Kalkine.